Reforms in the coffee subsector are running into headwinds after the Senate put the coffee bill debate on hold until a mediation team is formed. The Senate says the National Assembly made amendments to the bill that stripped off the role of the county government to license coffee value chains players and weakened the ability of farmers to sell their coffee directly.
Coffee farmers will now have to wait a little bit longer before changes in the coffee sector are instituted. The Senate has shelved the coffee bill that had gone through the National Assembly until a mediation team from both houses is constituted to resolve issues surrounding the marketing of coffee and the role of county governments in licensing marketing agents. According to the Senate Committee on Agriculture, the National Assembly still gave millers powers to market coffee on behalf of farmers and stripped off the county governments power to license value chain players.
Marketers. We have had an opportunity as a committee to visit one marketer in the United States, in fact, a roaster called Joffrey's in Florida, and he showed us his invoices and receipts. The last time he had bought coffee from Kenya, he had paid $1,200 a bag. Can you imagine? Now, how much is the farmer getting here? Farmer will be lucky to get $300 of that same bag.
Early this week, the Council of Governors wrote to the Ministry of Agriculture to protest the amendments to the Coffee Regulations 2019 that stripped off the county government's power to license millers and instead leaving the licensing to the Agriculture and Food Authority.
I want to call upon the Senate to take its rightful position of protecting devolution as envisaged in Article 96. Because the Ministry of Agriculture must be told that it is only policy that they retain at national level. Any other part of implementation must be given to counties to do that, and such as licensing, and they must be given that power.
The Senate also claims the National Assembly amendments also weaken the ability of farmers to sell their beans directly to buyers.
After they found their own market, then the ministry has been, and that is why they want to reverse these things, that they have been putting barriers to getting them get direct licenses to export their coffee to wherever they want.
The Senate wants the direct settlement system put in place to assist farmers to access money from their coffee immediately after sales. Benson Rioba reporting for Prime Edition.